Lord, thank you. Thank you for your mercy. Thank you, Jesus. You are worthy to be glorified. When the presence go high, His glory come down. Hey, lift up your hands to the Lord as we worship God. Hey, hey, listen. Nimekutana